The electric version of the Kia Soul has came into its fourth year available in the market, and changes made to it are quite extensive. Quoting a document submitted by EPA, InsideEVs claims that the 2018 Soul EV has a new 30 kWh battery that replaces the old 27 kWh version. The extra 3 kWh give it time to travel up to 111 miles, 179 kilometers, on a single charge, or 18 miles, 29 kilometers, for a longer time than before, which holds and bumps its combined MPGe to 108 from 105. Its range might not exactly be as impressive as the Chevy Bolt's 238 miles, 383 kilometers, but is believed to help Kia sell more examples of the zero-emission Soul. Previously available from an MSRP of $32,250, the Kia Heart and Soul EV has become a tad more expensive for the 2018 MPGe, as it can be had from $33,950, as verified by the car mark's official USA website. Choose for the 2018 Soul EV Plus, though, using its comprehensive set of features, including leather-trimmed seats, playground assist, and others, and be prepared to pay at least $35,950.